Hey students, Chapter 8 Current Electricity. Charge. Units of charge. The SI unit of charge is coulomb, denoted by symbol C. The smaller units of charge are millicoulomb, microcoulomb, nanocoulomb. 1 millicoulomb is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 coulomb. 1 microcoulomb is equal to 10 raised to the power of minus 6 coulomb, and 1 nanocoulomb is equal to 10 raised to the power of minus 9 coulomb. Current. Units of current. SI unit of current is ampere, denoted by symbol A. The smaller units of ampere, milli, ampere, MA, microampere, micro A. 1 milliampere is equal to 10 raised to the power of minus 3 ampere. Current. 1 microampere is equal to 10 raised to the power of minus 6 ampere. Current I is equal to Q upon T. Q is equal to N into E. I is equal to NE upon T. Potential difference. V is equal to W upon Q. Unit of potential difference. SI unit of potential difference is volt, denoted by symbol V. It is a scalar quantity. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. Resistance. Unit of resistance. SI unit of resistance is ohm. Resistance. Unit of R is equal to unit of V upon unit of I. Higher resistance are measured in 1 kilo ohm is equal to 10 raised to power of 3 ohm. 1 mega ohm is equal to 10 raised to 6 ohm. Resistance is directly proportional to length of conductor and temperature of the conductor. Indirectly proportional to thickness of conductor. Ohm's law. Formula for Ohm's law. V is equal to IR, where V is the potential difference, I is current, R is resistance. Ohm's law. For conductance, formula, conductance is equal to 1 upon resistance. Unit is equal to ohm raised to the power of minus 1. Specific resistance. Specific resistance is equal to RA upon L. R is equal to resistance, A is equal to area of cross section, L is equal to length. Unit is equal to ohm into meter. Conductivity is equal to 1 upon specific resistance. Unit is equal to 1 upon ohm into meter. Electromotive force. Formula E is equal to W upon Q, where E is EMF, W is work done, Q is charge. Terminal voltage. Formula V is equal to W upon Q, where V is potential difference, W is work done, Q is charge. Voltage drop in a cell. Formula V is equal to W upon Q. Relationship between EMF and terminal voltage of a cell. Formula E is equal to V plus V, or V is equal to E minus V. Internal resistance of a cell. Formula V is equal to IR. Most important formulas. 1. Total resistance of circuit is equal to external resistance R plus internal resistance R. 2. Current drawn from the cell I is equal to E upon R plus R. 3. EMF of a cell E is equal to I into R plus R. 4. The terminal voltage of the cell V is equal to IR. 5. Voltage drop due to internal resistance is equal to V is equal to IR. 6. Internal resistance. 1. R is equal to V upon I. 2. E minus V upon I. 3. E minus V upon R. 4. E upon V minus 1, the whole into R. Series and parallel combination. 1. Equivalent resistance in series. Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus and so on, 2 plus Rn times. 2. Equivalent resistance in parallel. 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus and so on, 2 plus 1 upon Rn.